Hey everyone, Sean X Tech here, and today we're looking at the USB-C accessories I'm currently using with my MacBook Pro. First up is the VAVA UC005 USB-C hub adapter, made for newer laptops that support USB-C connectivity. This thing is a must for interfacing peripherals that don't yet support USB-C technology. It has a sleek aluminum casing with a space gray finish and some unique style elements. It houses 5 ports, including on one side USB-A 3.0, HDMI, which supports HD at 60Hz and up to 4K at 30Hz, and USB-C, which claims to support 100-watt power pass-through, but I'm not sure how constant this is in use. And on the other side, there's another USB-A and a full-size SD card slot. One standout feature of this hub, compared to others, is the array of LEDs in the circle on top that illuminate to indicate a port is in use and will work as long as the hub is plugged into your computer. It's also equipped with an extension cable that's approximately 4.9 inches or 12.4 centimeters long. In my use, the cable length has been sufficient for this type of device. It has an overall aesthetically pleasing design with a minimal logo and chamfered edges all the way around on top and bottom, as well as around the LED indicator circle. The ports are spaced far enough apart for ease of access without the size of the hub feeling overbearing, but they could have easily included either another USB-C or even a mini display port in between the USB and SD ports. The circular engraving pattern within the LED indicator disc is a nice design touch and the clear focal point of the casing. The overall build quality is pretty solid, and the finish matches the MacBook Pro perfectly. The extension cable is also a pretty nice thickness and durable, while retaining an adequate amount of flexibility. Another device I picked up is the SanDisk dual flash drive with both USB-A and C extensions. I opted for the 64GB model, but it's available with up to 256GB of storage at 150 megabytes per second transfer speeds. It's particularly great for transfer between devices without the need to take up an extra port on your adapter. You can transfer between devices that use USB-A to USB-C devices effortlessly. The drive is nice and compact in design, with a simple sliding mechanism that slides both ways to reveal either of the hidden connectors on each side. The slider is plastic, but the mechanism has a satisfying weighty feel to it and doesn't feel cheap. Hopefully it can hold up over time. I hope you found this review helpful. I'll include links to both products in the description. Let me know down below which USB-C products you're using. As much as we want to live in the perfect connectivity future, it can be hard to let some things go. That's why we need devices like these to help us move forward. Until next time, I'm Sean X Tech. Thanks for watching. If you want to see my last video, click the annotation in the lower left. If you want to see more in the future and keep up to date with the channel, click the annotation in the bottom right to subscribe. I'm Sean X Tech, and I hope to see you next time.